Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to give a cell a name. For example, we have such chart and it is required to calculate the salary for the first week, second, third, and fourth. We are working in the company named Google and have our hourly rate $100. For example, what would I do in a simple way? I will put here such formula C6 multiplied by C3. And if we drag it down, then what we can see? That the next cell is empty. Why is it? Because the Excel is calculating this formula as the next value from the previous one. Let me open the first one. What we can see, C6 multiplied by C3, and after dragging it, C6 was changed on C7, which is OK for us, but C3 was changed on C4. How to fix it and not to correct all the time this value? In this case, we can give the name to a cell. Then we should click the button on the cell C3. After that, go up here and name this box. Let it be hourly rate. Press enter. Now if we change the name up here and start typing hour, we can see that the name of our cell was appeared. Double click, press enter, and now after dragging it down, all the numbers will be calculated automatically and correctly. Let's open the formula C7 multiplied by hourly rate. Okay, it works. Good. You can also give a name to the cell by clicking formulas and here define name. For example, let's name some company. Up here the cell is C2, define name and give the name for this company name. Let it be company. Okay. And we can put here some comment. Input company name. Click OK. Now if I would like to put here this company name, I will see that my value appeared up here with the comment I put it, and double click company, press enter, company Google. Now if you press F3, then all the names of the cells that you gave are appeared up here, so you can choose again someone, press enter, and it will appear automatically. You can also name the whole chart like this and give it a name, table 1. This function is preferably used while you need to print some diapason, not the whole workbook or not the whole sheet. For instance, if you have some data up here and you need to print this chart, then you can go to, so for example, you need to print this chart. For this you should go up here, select your table name, this is it. Excel will automatically select your table. After that, go to File, Print, and you need to print only selected table. Then you should choose up here Print Selection, and Excel will print it for you. Okay. I hope this video was very useful. Use it, have fun, take care. Till the next video. Bye bye.